What's up, YouTube? So I gave away a Dymo 450 turbo like last week or a week and a half ago. It was a Dymo 450 turbo and it was an Accutech scale, and then I decided to throw in like a little, what do you call it, not a GoPro but like a generic brand. It's Venmo. It was a 1080p generic GoPro. So I did that and I ran the giveaway, and the person that won, surprisingly, is from El Paso, from my city, my hometown. So I had already been talking to this guy before the giveaway even happened. I've never met him before, but so I gave him what he won to his wife. She came and picked it up, and now I got an opportunity. So basically it was $100 value, and now I have an opportunity that he is giving me, well, not giving me, but selling me a whole thing of brand new Memorex clear CD cases. They sell pretty good on Amazon. There's like one other seller. So I forgot what I'm gonna make, but I'm gonna make like $1,000 profit from my $200 investment. So once I get what I'm getting, and I'll let you guys know how much I'm gonna make. In other people's eyes, it was a lot of money to give away something $100 in value for free. And what I thought is like, no, let's give it away. It's gonna give me more subscribers, hopefully. And as you can see, when you give, you get. So here's the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for being here. Let's go. What's up, man? How's it going?
How's it going, man?
So I already sent him the $200, and he's basically selling me these cases right here. He's moving out of his house, so
yeah,
he's selling me these cases and that whole little pile.
Sorry for the mess.
Yeah, he's moving out right now. No, but where'd you get them at?
I got them in an auction.
Nice.
I bought a whole flat of them.
Nice, nice. So I'm getting a really good deal, actually.
Yeah, he'll make money. I'm gonna make money. It's all good.
Okay, cool. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it.
Sure, no problem.
Yeah, he won my giveaway, actually. Have you tried it yet? The Dymo?
No, I haven't tried it yet.
Oh, it's all good. It's all good. All right, man. I appreciate it. Thank you.
I have a question about that.
So he's gonna let me use a shopping cart to get all the CD cases. So they're basically the jewel cases. Okay, there it is. Yeah, they're the jewel cases for the CDs or DVDs. So that's basically what I'm gonna be getting. Let me just take all this stuff out. You just want them out, huh? Because you're moving and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I've had them posted on,
Oh, for real?
and it was right after I offered the CD, and I was like,
Well, that's cool. We're building a little relationship, you know?
yeah, sure.
I could always help you out. You help me out?
Yeah, I definitely want to start my MPA in January. Because I have a bunch of stuff that I bought for Amazon.
Yeah.
But I just haven't.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
You have like a storage unit?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I got a storage. It was my eBay storage unit. Now I just store stuff.
How much do you pay for your storage unit?
It's like $90 a month.
Yeah.
It's a 10 by 10 storage unit.
How much the prices have gone up since COVID?
Yeah.
Because I used to pay like 60, and now I'm paying like 90.
The storage unit I have is right across from the new Amazon center, the fulfillment center.
Okay.
So it's kind of cool just to...
That's near where my wife works in Spectrum.
Oh, okay. You guys like it over here on the west side?
Not really.
Is this where you're from? The west side?
No, I graduated from Eastwood.
Oh, okay. I'm from Riverside.
Okay. Careful, put that in too high so that they're very slippery.
Okay.
You move them.
Yeah, I'll go take these real quick.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. Oh, I gotta be careful I don't drop them. Okay. All right, let me stop recording real quick. So that's what I got so far. I do have some stuff that I have. See, I saw that on Amazon right there. But I need to take all that stuff home. So let me continue packing the stuff. Second round coming through. I got TurboTax from the other day. So I got a lot of work to do. There's the front seat. Whew, I still got room in the back for the big boxes. Man, this shit is tiring. Woo! Another round. So we're full back there. So I gotta make room on the inside because I got some more boxes left. Whew. It's hot over here in El Paso. It's probably in the 90s right now. Just like Richie hustles. Let's get money, mother. Get money. That's the last of the stuff. The cart is empty. The car is full. Whew. Check that out. Can't even look in. It's that full. And it won't close. Okay, there it goes. Let me just go say thank you to this guy real quick. And we're good to go home. All right, man. Thanks a lot.
All right, thanks, man.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
Have a good day.
You too.
If you need any help, just call me.
All right.
That's Mexico over there. That's our university, UTEP. University of Texas, El Paso. 1966 NCAA champs in basketball. We got a movie, Glory Road. That's the new fulfillment center for Amazon that they built. It hasn't opened yet. And there's my storage unit right across the street. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I have half of the stuff outside. And these are how the boxes came out. I kind of made my own makeshift boxes. Put the tape right there. Put them all in one. 50 pounds each, which is the limit, so I'm pushing it. Every one is 50 pounds, 50 pounds, 50 pounds. I got my labels. That's the FBA, for the FBA warehouse. This is the UPS label right there. So these I'm doing as like new. I'm putting in the description that their plastic is a little bit cut up. And let's look at my numbers real quick. So in total it was 90 of these. So that means each one would be $2.22 a piece at my $200 that I spent. I'm giving one to my uncle. It's one of these it's actually this one right here, that is cracked. So he'll have like 98 good cases. So 10 of them I'm selling as like new. The other, what was that? 7, the other, all right, I can't do my math right now. The other ones are being sold as new. And the rest is in the car. So I'm gonna continue loading up, send them to UPS. I probably could have done a pickup, but I don't know how to do that. That would have been a good chance to learn, but I decided just to take them real quick. So thank you guys for watching. Are you ready, Abby?
Yes.
Okay, say don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Okay, cool. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Love you.